Thinking about living and working in Thailand long term? The SMART Visa might be your gateway. Designed for top talent, investors, executives, and startup founders, the SMART Visa offers a flexible stay from 1 to 4 years and even includes your family, all for a $400 fee. There are 5 SMART Visa categories. T is for high-skilled talent in targeted industries. I is for investors. E is for executives. S is for startup founders. And O is for spouses and children of SMART Visa holders. The process starts with Thailand's Board of Investment, or BOI. You'll need their approval to get a letter of qualification endorsement. Once you've got it, you'll apply for your visa through Thailand's e-visa system. Important? Be sure to select the Royal Thai Embassy in Washington, D.C. You'll upload your documents online, including your passport, a recent photo, proof of where you are now, and your BOI letter. To get started or check your eligibility, visit the link in the description.